Uh, my dear friends, today I went uh, to meet the Honorable Governor of Manipur, the Balaji, uh, and I met today at around 6:30 p.m. And I discussed with him regarding the prevailing situation in the state, and I suggested some of the points about the prevailing situation, and he listened, and necessary action will be initiated to resolve the present crisis, inviting the agitators. I hope so. And secondly, uh, I apprised about the issues of IDP who are staying in the relief camps since last 2 years. And I also apprised the suffering of people of the valley peoples mainly due to the non-opening of the national highways. Many valley peoples were not able to travel through by road since the last 2 years, and I apprised the same also. And thirdly, I apprised to disarm from hold illegals, arm holders, illegal miscreant. Then only we can proceed for peace. And today's main purpose of visiting was I would like to appreciate the Minister of Home Affairs, Government of India, has given deadline for 30 days to identify the illegal immigrants from Bangladesh and Myanmar. Earlier, I was not convinced and I was not uh, satisfied about the action taken by the ministry regarding the illegal immigrant from the Myanmar. But this time, Home Ministry has clearly mentioned illegal immigrants from Bangladesh and Myanmar. So I have submitted the all the documents which we started during my regime since 2021. We have identified many illegal immigrants under the leadership of the then Honorable Minister Dr. Hawkins, the Cabinet Subcommittee Chairman. He was the chairman, and Mr. Awan Yume, the then minister, was the member, and CTS, the center, the cabinet minister. These three members were the cabinet subcommittee, and we started identification of illegal immigrants. So I remind him, and I took the letters, orders, and handed over to him. And I also took one letter of the Mr. P.K. Popai Hawkins, who was the then outer MP of Manipur, who wrote a letter to the government of India seeking financial assistance for 1,500 families of Burmese refugees staying inside the state of Manipur.